In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily take JPEG photos on your iPhone. Taking photos with your iPhone is a simple process, and it's even easier when you understand how to save them as JPEG files. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Camera. Tap on it. After that, tap Formats. Once you are on this page, you will see two different options, High Efficiency and Most Compatible. If you want to reduce file size, you can select the High Efficiency option, which will capture photos and videos in HEIF or HEVC format. If you want to take JPEG photos on your iPhone, simply tap and select Most Compatible option. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.